Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you create a YouTube banner in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official pixlr.com website right here if you haven't already. And after opening up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Pixlr, where you can get started with making your images. But first we need to go ahead and log into your account. So in the upper right corner we will have the login option. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where you can get started with using the image editor. So if you scroll down a bit in the home page, we can find the AI photo editor and the AI image generator that we can use for making our images. And now we have two options. We can either go ahead and create our banner from our photo editor by using photos that we directly already have on our PC, uploading them right here, and then using the editing tab to go ahead and make it look how we want. But guys, if you do not already have an image, you wanted to create a new one using the AI image generator, then you can go ahead and click right here, and this is going to open up the generator right here. As you can see, we can get started with telling it what we want to be created. So let's say we want to create a YouTube banner of a brown dog. So guys, now if you click the generate tab right here, it's going to take your currency that you have and create you a YouTube banner of brown dog that's going to appear right here, and that you'll be able to download. You can either make it private or negative prompt if you want. And here you can see all the AI generated images that have already been created on Pixlr that you can go ahead and browse. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.